Hello, today we are going to learn how to make our porridge beans without oil. We are going to do beans, potato without using palm oil or groundnut oil. Right here I have my fish, Titus fish. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have right here my crayfish. I blended the pepper, the crayfish, and the tatashe, the shombo. I blended together both onion. I blended everything and I put inside my boiling beans. So okay, right here I'm blending crayfish. I'm going to blend the crayfish and also put. Right here is my crayfish. I'm blending. After blending, I'll pour it into the beans. Right here, like I said, I have tatashe, shombo, crayfish, onion, all blended. No palm oil, no groundnut oil. Right here, I have my potato. I'm going to wash very well, then peel it off. This is my Titus fish. Right here I have dry fish. I have my fresh Titus. I've washed, these are thoroughly washed, and I have put the Titus after like 30 minutes or 40 minutes. When you see that your beans is getting soft, it's almost soft, then you now put your thoroughly washed Titus and dry fish. This is the potato. I have peeled the potato and I've cut into pieces, tiny pieces. So right here, I'm going to pour the potato inside. They are all going to cook together. I'll pour, then I'll add my mangi cube. Add a pinch of salt. Add my mangi cube and a pinch of salt to taste. Don't forget, while I was blending the tatashe, the shombo, I also added pepper to it to make it a little bit hot. I added pepper. So right now I'm going to cover it. Since cooked, our base is ready, almost ready. I've added extra mangi cube to make it taste. I'm going to cover again for like 5 minutes, then our beans will be ready. There is no oil, there is no groundnut oil. Healthy. If you have high cholesterol, you don't need oil in your food, you don't need groundnut oil. See how it looks as if there is oil. So right now I'm adding my leaf, my green leaf. Yes, I boil the leaf the way you boil and filter the water. Then this is my green leaf. I'm adding my green leaf to the beans. I'm going to stir. Then I'll cover for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then our beans will be ready. No oil, no groundnut oil, no palm oil. Cover, yes. Our beans is ready. See how it looks. Very delicious. Please try and make this at home. You eat healthy and you will live longer and you will look healthy. This is a very healthy meal. There is no oil, there is no kind of ground oil or palm oil. Please subscribe.